Welcome back, everybody. I took a break from pizza making for a couple weeks, but now I'm hungry for pizza, so we're back at it. Pizza. Always a good idea. Oh yeah. Still using the DeLallo pizza kits. I love these. Type 00 flour. The instructions call for one of these packages, which includes the flour, the salt, the yeast, with 1 1/4 cups of water. The instructions call for a 45-minute rise time. Through trial and error, I found out that if you put it in a proofing box like this overnight in the refrigerator and then pull it out for a couple of hours, you're gonna get way better pizza crust. This is a mixture of type 00 flour and semolina. Press it down and turn it around. The more and more I've made pizzas, I've come to appreciate the simplicity of it all. It doesn't always have to be a groundbreaking pizza recipe. Lately, I've just been focusing on technique and making sure the pies come out perfect. I've been making a lot of pizzas over the last 6 or 7 months. So far, these are my 3 favorite sauces if you want a recommendation. If you're doing a margherita style pizza, Neapolitan pizza, I guess, the DeLallo margherita style pizza sauce. I love the Don Pepino's, been using it like crazy. I tried this on a whim, pastorelli, and I like it a lot. If you see me using a pizza sauce and you never see me using it again, chances are I probably don't like it that much. Grab my Pioneer Woman can opener. Come on, don't be hating on me. Down with a light coating of the pastorelli pizza sauce, and a cheese recommendation. I've used them all, trust me. I like the Galbani mozzarella cheese, Italian style. It comes like this and you pull it apart. There's no moisture, so it doesn't get your pizza all soggy like a fresh mozzarella. That's been my favorite lately. I also like to use a few slices of provolone once in a while when I'm doing a basic pepperoni or a cheese pizza. So I'm gonna put some provolone in there along with some of these pieces of the classic stretch and melt mozzarella. I have a whole bunch of uncured pepperoni. You're gonna put that around the pizza as well. And I'll grab a few more bits of that cheese. I always like to put some on top to hold the pepperoni down, kind of hold it together. Early on, these are 2 of my favorite pizza seasonings, both salt-free, oregano, thyme, basil, etc. Temperature reading, we're about 635, 640 degrees. Give it a pull, and we should be able to go in to the Blackstone Pizza Oven. After about 1.5 minutes, things look good. I'm not nervous anymore. We'll go ahead and turn that dial up all the way so we can finish cooking the pizza and get really good color on that crust. Oh man, that cheese is just dancing in there. Been about 2.5, 3 minutes. Woohoo! Oh my goodness. Oh, every time they look perfect. I don't know if I said it already, but just in case, take a look at that. Let's pick it up. The crust looks gorgeous, as you can see. Let me cleanse my palate with my brand new Blackstone water bottle. Oh my goodness, here we go. Let's give it a try. That cheese killer, definitely my favorite. Galbani for the win. So there you have it, showing you some of my favorite products through trial and error. Over the last 6 or 7 months, I've bought almost every type of sauce or cheese on the shelves. Excellent from start to finish. The DeLallo dough kits, definitely my #1. I love the pastorelli, and I love the Don Pepino sauce, and I love that Galbani cheese. So you can use whatever you want. You might have different tastes. So there you go, 3 recommendations for ingredients to make you a better pizza. Until next time, everybody, praise the Lord. Pass the pizza.